Let's count down the top 10 most banned dog breeds in the world. You might just be surprised who made the list. Fierce entry at number 10, the Akita. This Japanese powerhouse isn't just a dog, it's a warrior. Originally bred for hunting bears and wild boars, the Akita is known for its strong-willed personality and fearless nature. But here's the catch: they're territorial, dominant, and don't like strangers, which makes them challenging for inexperienced owners. In countries like Spain and Ireland, owning an Akita comes with strict regulations because their protective instincts can turn aggressive. But don't get it twisted. In the right hands, Akitas can be loyal and loving guardians. Charging in at number 9, the Boer Bull. Imagine a dog so powerful it was bred to keep lions at bay. Meet the Boer Bull, a South African mastiff with an instinct to protect and a size to intimidate. These gentle giants can weigh up to 200 pounds and have a bite force that could scare a grizzly. But their massive strength and territorial nature make them a risky choice in places like Denmark, where they're outright banned. Boer Bulls need experienced, firm owners who can channel their protective instincts the right way. Roaring in at number 8, the Tosa Inu. Nicknamed the Silent Killer, the Tosa Inu is a rare Japanese breed bred for one purpose: fighting. These dogs are eerily quiet during confrontations and won't hesitate to dominate any challenger. Because of their aggressive lineage, Tosa Inus are banned in several countries, including Australia and the UK. But here's the thing: with proper training and socialization, Tosas can be calm and affectionate companions. It's all about discipline. Clawing up to number 7, the Dogo Argentino. This sleek and muscular dog might look like a supermodel, but don't be fooled. The Dogo Argentino was bred to hunt big game like pumas and wild boars. Their strength and determination make them one of the most banned breeds worldwide. From the UK to New Zealand, Dogo Argentinos are seen as a risk because they can be aggressive without proper socialization. But those who know this breed swear by their loyalty and protective instincts. Stealing the spotlight at number 6, the American Staffordshire Terrier. Often mistaken for the infamous pit bull, the Amstaff is a breed with a lot of strength and a reputation for stubbornness. They're banned in places like Germany and Singapore because of their history in dog fighting rings. But here's the twist: with the right training and care, Amstaffs are affectionate family pets that adore children. It's a classic case of nurture over nature. Climbing to number 5, the Perro de Presa Canario. This name might sound exotic, but the Presa Canario is a beast of a dog. Hailing from the Canary Islands, they were bred for herding livestock and for scaring off predators with their sheer size and power. Their confident and calm demeanor can flip to aggression if they feel threatened, making them a risky choice for novice dog owners. They're restricted in places like Australia and New Zealand. Taking the heat at number 4, the Alaskan Malamute. Don't let their fluffy coats and friendly faces fool you. Alaskan Malamutes are powerhouses of energy and strength. Originally bred to haul sleds in freezing climates, these dogs are built for endurance and mischief. When not properly trained, their high prey drive and independent nature can make them a handful. They're restricted in many regions for their potential to cause harm. Racing in at number 3, the Wolf Hybrid. Part Wolf, part domestic dog, the Wolf Hybrid is as wild as it sounds. These unpredictable creatures combine the intelligence of a dog with the instincts of a wolf. Sadly, careless breeding has made them volatile, leading to their ban in over 40 states in the US. But their fierce loyalty to their pack is unmatched, a true double-edged sword. Dominating at number 2, the Cane Corso. The Cane Corso is a true guardian. This Italian breed was designed to protect, and boy, do they deliver. With a bite force strong enough to rival a lion's, Cane Corsos are not for the faint-hearted. They're banned in several countries because of their size, power, and history in illegal dogfights. But with the right training, they're loyal, loving, and incredibly disciplined companions. Taking the crown at number 1, the Bully Kudda. And here we are, the most fearsome of them all, the Bully Kudda, also known as the Beast of the East. Originating in Pakistan, this colossal dog was bred for hunting and guarding. Their sheer size and aggressive temperament make them a symbol of power, but they're often misused in illegal dogfights. It's heartbreaking to see such intelligent creatures misunderstood. With love and care, the Bully Kudda can be a loyal protector. That's our countdown of the top 10 most banned dog breeds in the world. Which one surprised you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more exciting content from DG Max. Until next time, stay curious and stay awesome.